Onboarding Guide for Creating AI-Generated Images Using Text-to-Image Prompts. Welcome to the world of AI-generated images using text-to-image prompts. In this onboarding guide, we will walk you through the process of creating stunning images using artificial intelligence. Introduction to AI-generated images. AI-generated images are created using advanced machine learning algorithms that can understand and interpret natural language prompts. By providing a textual description or prompt, the algorithm generates an image that represents the given input. This technology has various applications, including art, design, marketing, and storytelling. Getting started. To get started with creating AI-generated images, follow these steps. 1. Choose an AI model. There are several AI models available that specialize in generating images from text prompts. Some popular models include OpenAI's DALL-E, Clip, and GPT-3. You can choose the model that best suits your needs and requirements. 2. Set up the environment. Before you can generate AI images, you need to set up the environment. This typically involves installing the necessary libraries and dependencies, such as Python and the specific AI models package. Refer to the documentation provided by the model's developers for detailed installation instructions. 3. Prepare the text. Prompt. Think about the image you want to generate and come up with a clear and concise text prompt that describes your vision. Be as specific as possible to get the desired results. For example, if you want to generate an image of a sunset over a beach, your prompt could be, "A beautiful sunset over a sandy beach with palm trees." 4. Generate the image. Once your environment is set up and the text prompt is ready, you can start generating the image. Use the provided code or API endpoints to submit your text prompt to the AI model. The model will then process the input and generate an image based on the given prompt. 5. Fine-tune and iterate. The generated image may not always be perfect on the first try. Experiment with different prompts and parameters to fine-tune the output and achieve the desired result. Iterate and refine your prompts until you're satisfied with the generated images. Best practices. To make the most out of AI-generated images, here are some best practices to keep in mind. Be clear and specific in your text prompts to achieve accurate results. Experiment with different prompts, parameters, and styles to explore the full potential of the AI model. Keep track of the generated images and document the prompts used for future reference. Respect copyright and intellectual property rights when using AI-generated images. Conclusion. Creating AI-generated images using text-to-image prompts opens up endless possibilities for creativity and innovation. By following this onboarding guide, you now have the knowledge to get started on your journey towards creating stunning AI-generated images. Experiment, have fun, and let your imagination run wild.